Here we go. Why did I expect anything different? It's like a starter pack for a cooking video on TikTok. A block of cheese and uncooked pasta. And what is the Cheetos or whatever it is doing in here? What's the point? Oh my God. Just eat the thing like normal people. Doing too much. Oh my goodness. Of course, more cheese. Because what would a TikTok cooking video be without a whole bunch of cheese in there? And more coming, of course. Of course. This is madness. Now they gonna bake it, of course. Look at all that liquid. Oh my God. No, they didn't. No, they did not. Y'all make my stomach sick, I swear.